Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a turn signal bulb on a Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your tools, a new 3157 amber bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is off to prevent any electrical issues. Now, open the hood of your minivan to gain access to the headlight assembly. This simple preparation makes the process much smoother. Next, you'll need to access the bulb. Look for two retaining pins located on the top of the headlight assembly. Use your fingers or a flathead screwdriver to pull these pins straight up and out. Once the pins are removed, gently slide the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches. This provides enough room to reach the turn signal bulb without fully disconnecting the headlight. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Locate the turn signal bulb socket, which is usually at the bottom of the headlight assembly. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out of the socket. Insert your new 3157 amber bulb firmly into the socket until it clicks into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reinsert the bulb's socket into the headlight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it in. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position. Push the two retaining pins back down through their holes to secure the headlight firmly. Turn on your vehicle and test the new turn signal bulb to ensure it's working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.